2018 Ram 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, remote engine start, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, tow hitch, keyless entry, traction control, backup camera, stability control, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, power steering. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.